real sad Harold. Sad Harold. Don't want no EGGBALL.
Sad Harold mean must be tough man, you know.
Wait, is what the girl them want? Saddle pump bikes, get up on the XR.
Yeah.
If I throw a ball in the girl can catch on. Gully Ras.
Well, pass. If some real girl for the next thing, well, I say, yo, wait. And we get, when someone say wait, me actually wait a while, I feel like a cool second, and I say, wait, I'm saying, me? Boom, boom, boom! Hey, good man in show. She like that. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. Straight out of Jamaica. No people, we're gonna say so. Usain Bolt go over Guyana. Guyanese music. Guyana. Right now, we have an artist for them called Gully Ras X Dre Thoven. I'm not spoil the name. We have some Guyanese artists today go react. That's a name. No EGGBALL. Somebody say, yo, a time for me get some Guyanese audience. Legit somebody comment nothing like that. Say, no, say me I go set so. And we'll say to the viewers and the subscribers them though. So people big up on themselves. Wait. Hello viewers and subscribers. What's up? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. It's your first time over here. I post every single day, 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. Comment on this video to see your comment to the next video that I post right over here. Okay? And please, please subscribe and help reach 30k subscribers before the year ends. And I post numerous videos for the day, right? And if you guys subscribe from your country and YouTube shows me that you're watching me, I'm going to post a video for you every day like I do for every other country that I've made videos for and they subscribe. Okay? I make Guyana, I make Grenada video. I make Trinidadian video. A lot, by the way, because they're the #1 on the channel right now. So you guys need to come and subscribe too, right? I make St. Kitts. I make St. Lucia. Grenada. Barbados. Hey, don't know, welcome to Jamrock. Na. 2 pound within a van back some boy. Yo, people who have no EGGBALL. Gully Ras. I don't know next one name. I want next one is cKush. I won't go spoil no one's name, but big up on yourself. Link to the original song is going to be down below in the description of my video. You don't know, say I'm mad this now on the people. So we're going to run tune. No EGGBALL. Alright then.
Them girl want bad boy with cute face. Lash up head with a few nice ways.
Yeah.
Chain pony neck and gun pony waist.
Yeah.
Tint up car with too loud bass. Them girl love bad boy. Them girl don't want no soft boy. Yeah, real sad Harold.
Yeah.
Them girl don't want no EGGBALL.
Whoa. Them girl love bad boy. Them girl don't want no soft boy. Them girl go hold on, watch your style. Pull up a tune and look see what go on. Yeah.
Them girl want bad boy with cute face. Lash up head with a few nice ways. Chain.
You hear that? Man said the girl them want bad boy with cute face like me. I mean them want. Me the bad now the cute face. The Reaction Boss over here something. Go on.
Bunny neck and gun bunny waist. Tint up car with too loud bass. Them girl love bad boy. Them girl don't want no soft boy. Yeah, real sad Harold.
Sad Harold. What is sad Harold? Y'all know no. It's my first time reacting to music from a different country. Obviously, I'm gonna want to understand what exactly they're saying. So you know, watching the video from Guyana, you see me, I say, please comment. What I'm say? What I'm say? Let me know what I say.
Soft boy. Yeah, real sad Harold.
Sad
Them
Harold.
girl don't want no EGGBALL.
Sad Harold mean must be tough man, you know.
Wait, is what the girl them want? Saddle pump bikes, get up on the XR.
Yeah.
If I throw a ball in the girl can catch on. Gully Ras.
Well, pass. If some real girl for the next thing, well, I say, yo, wait. And we get, when someone say wait, me actually wait a while, I feel like a cool second, and I say, wait. I'm saying, me pass, but we're going to run back on you, and I say, wait. And we the girl them want?
No EGGBALL.
Wait, is what the girl them want? Saddle pump bikes, get up on the XR.
Yeah.
If I throw a ball in the girl can catch on.
Yeah.
Gully Ras, what Drew really saying top dog?
Yo, Kush, some girl don't really go in for the
the looks. Some like the hype and like on Facebook. Some people rich, some people.
So true. Preach it. So them girls that only love the hype and the likes on Facebook, like, have little sense. Go try to make some money, man. That now can you go know him, man. Go on.
That rich look, I do it by the books.
I like them sick girl from Guyana. They girl them bad for this. And we're zesting in Guyana.
Zest? Zest? And that's what I recommend us again because him says zest and thing, you know. Because you know, say zest have to do with the Trinity and thing, you know. You don't know a chap, you know. But what on? Him say like the cute girl them from Guyana. Right now, intermission time. All cute ladies from Guyana, could you please go to my Instagram at Tyrekevlogs and just follow me. I don't want to say nothing. I just want to see you guys beauty. So follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. You understand me? That's why I'm going to follow me on Instagram. Bad boy chap. Yeah. Tyrekevlogs. Run go on. Run tune.
Trini in the place. Bad boy. Them girl don't want no soft boy. Yeah, real sad Harold.
Yeah.
Them girl don't want no EGGBALL.
None at all.
Yeah, she body toxic, this and toxic that. But every night she got me for the toxic cock. We keep it confidential, my top.
What she do? We're going to go start running back in a little bit. Run through.
The place, bad boy. Them girl don't want no soft boy. Yeah, real sad Harold. Them girl don't want no EGGBALL. Yeah, she body toxic, this and toxic that. But every night she got me for the toxic cock. We keep it confidential with my taxi yacht. Send you home to Shaman and I done with that.
Send you home to Shaman when you done with that.
You sure that you done with that? Yo, Ras, you sure that you done
with that?
Yo, Kush,
you sure that you done with that?
We're calling Carla, we send you back.
Girl, want bad boy.
You sit there. What them know about that? Sit there. Call the cab, make her send she home. Call the cab, make her send she home. Run back.
Done with that. We're calling Carla, we send you back.
Girl want bad boy. Them girl don't want no soft boy. Yeah, real sad Harold. Them girl don't want no EGGBALL. Every guy in his girl want a bad boy. Them girl don't want no soft boy. Yeah, real sad Harold. Them girl don't want no.
I'm telling you this. Yo! Get it? Yo, bumbo clock, girl. Let me tell you this. I come from Jamaica. I'm a bad blood clock, man. You do me I say, yeah. You know me I say, I want to go over my Instagram right now and go follow me. You see me I say, girl from Guyana, you me I talk to right now. Right now. Yeah. Now go for it right now. Go follow.
Go on. Them girl want bad boy with cute face. Lash up head with a few nice ways. Chain pony neck and gun pony waist. Tint up car with too loud bass. Them girl want, yeah. And them girl want, yeah. Them girl want, yeah. She want a real G, so she call me.
No! The murderous. Yo! Boom! It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, and see that we just watch the baddest video on YouTube for the day. We're not gonna see another video later than this unless I post the next video on YouTube today. Remember me tell you that. You're not gonna see any other video littier than my video that I just watched just a while ago. So subscribe if you're not yet subscribe and like the video so the video get ranked to more people so more people can get to see the movement. I'm out. Murderous, just post. So no, say yes, let me make that video. So we call consistency. I'm carrying video go live. I don't know about that. I'm going to wait for the 5 emoji them for coming. My general reaction boss. Them call I. So subscribe for the subscribe. Fire emoji, run tune. What them know about that? Early squad that. Notification squad that. Video just post. What wait for more? We know someone found in, you know. Make sure you play a part, dog. Comment the fire emoji. Drop a like. Drop a bomb comment like. Reaction boss. What wait for more? The video just post, you know? No, the video just post. I'm not even keeping this so long. I bet first, this is a new video to you guys, so you understand the first thing that's in my face. But I make you understand, say, me at the reaction boss. Say me for subscribe right now. You understand what I'm trying to say? Peace out.